Alright, let's talk about plugins. Plugins are the only extension to be put into subcategories, and you can see those: authentication, content, editors, editors XTD, search system, temp, user, XML RPC. Other categories could be added as needed: documents, community, etc., etc. Inside the category, all files are in one long list. Most have only two files, as mentioned: pluginname.php and pluginname.xml. Let's take a look at that as it relates to our plugins folder. And here are the plugins in the subcategories. If I click on editors, you'll see image.php, image.xml, pagebreak.php, pagebreak.xml. And that's exactly what you see in your editor buttons at the bottom: insert image, insert a page break, and insert a read more. Those are all plugins. In the authentication category, we see Gmail, Joomla, LDAP, OpenID. These are allowing you to log in with details from other sites and software. We're looking at ways that your articles can be enhanced. From the session notes below, you could install the calendar icon, which would give you a nice way of formatting the calendar information for each article. Let's go ahead and do that, and you can do that on your own later. So that plugin is installed. You'll want to make sure that the calendar icon is enabled, that all the settings have been chosen. Hit save. And now when I come back over and hit refresh, I have a wonderfully new way. I have some really nice formatting for the date of the creation of the article. There are tons and tons of content plugins. We've already looked at a few of these. All Videos by Joomla Works allows you to put in a video really simply in your site. We did that already in a session using the All Videos plugin. Editor plugins are exactly that. They give us access to these WYSIWYG editors or no editors. The XTD gives us the buttons at the bottom of those windows, which we've already talked about. Search plugins gives us the ability to search different articles, links, contacts, categories, the different items in our website. Are plugins that give us different options as we go through our website. The system plugins are turned on and off via global configuration. The user plugins keep the user data synchronized, and the XML RPC allow articles to be written from outside of Joomla. In the session notes below, you see another plugin that can be installed called the Gallery plugin. The Gallery plugin is another fantastic plugin from joomlaworks.gr. There's a free version and a paid version. The paid version gives you the ability to add captions and some other really great things, different layouts, etc. But for a simple image gallery, this is really fantastic. Alright, so to make this work, we need a new content item. Let's go ahead and create a new item called City Park. And we'll just leave this uncategorized for now. To use a plugin, as we've already looked at, it's really simple. Curly bracket, and then slash, curly bracket slash whatever the plugin is. In this case, curly bracket gallery, close the curly bracket, the directory where the pictures will be, and then curly bracket slash gallery. Hit save, go out to the front page. Unfortunately, we have a problem. It's not being recognized. So once again, we've made a classic error. Of course, it's not published. So we've published it. Now there are some parameters here. What size we want the image thumbnails, what quality. Should we display navigation tips for the slideshow? Sure. Nice message? Sure. Hit save, come back over to the front page, and nothing's working. Well, of course, we haven't uploaded the park photos to the correct directory. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to go to Images, Stories. They have to be in the Images Stories folder. And then I'm just going to drag the images over into my Images/Stories folder. And now I have park photos. Now that's not what I put in my content item, so let's go and fix that. Park photos, hit save, and now I have an image gallery. If I click on one, it brings it up into a nice slideshow that I can then go through. Now you'll notice there's no caption options. You're pretty limited here. The paid version gives you a lot more options, but for a quick, simple photo gallery, this is really great, and it's free, and it's one line of code to insert as many pictures as you want into an article. This is really, really powerful. Plugins are fantastic in Joomla because instead of going and grabbing embed code for YouTube videos, etc., 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 I can embed almost anything in an article using a plugin. Put a YouTube video in, it's just curly bracket YouTube, the number of the YouTube video, curly bracket / YouTube, hit save, go back over to your home page, hit refresh, and now you have a YouTube video. This is my family at the Climbworks Canopy Zipline in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, and we just had such much fun. I made a quick video out of it using iMovie and stuff, but anyway, you get the idea. Fantastically easy way to put things in, and there are thousands of plugins for virtually any kind of thing you want. Down below you'll see a list of some of my favorite plugins, and I'd encourage you to look at those and check those out if you were interested. You can also put your list of favorite plugins up in the forum for people to share. That might be a great way to get some new ideas out there, so I'd encourage you to do that.